Hi, Year 11. Hope you're all doing well. Just a few updates on where we are for this week, and we'll continue to update you as and when we get new information and how things are progressing. Majority of your lessons are live lessons. Okay, so the teacher will be teaching live. They'll be there to sort of support you and to help you with anything that you need as that goes on. The expectation is that you need to attend those as you would in school. Okay, we're in a fortunate position that means that the vast majority of our staff are able to deliver live lessons to you, and you have been specifically chosen for that. So you need to make the most of that opportunity. You need to make the most of your teachers' expertise and their knowledge, and ensuring that you finish the courses that you're on, and that obviously will hold you in the best possible position to get those exam results when in the summer. Non-attendance will be followed up in the normal way. At the moment, the attendance has been very good. Teachers are really pleased with your attitude to work, how you're kind of overcoming these tricky circumstances, and the desire to do really well. What they've asked is if you can use that chat function if you are struggling with a concept or want something checked. Please do use that chat function so that your teachers can support you in that way. Submissions of work is really key, and this is the way that we're really checking on you to make sure you're understanding, to make sure that you're getting everything done, and the easiest way to do that is via Show My Homework. That way, again, teachers can really quickly assess how you're getting on and be able to give you feedback with that. The expectation is that you really should be submitting something for each lesson. So please make sure that you're doing that. Make sure that you've got the work completed. If you need more time to complete a specific task, then let your teacher know. There's no problem with that. It might take longer than the time given, as it would in a normal lesson. So, you know, if it's not long enough, just say that's fine. I'm going to finish this later and I'll get it to you. But the key thing here is to make sure that you are submitting work. That's really important. And again, if there are any problems that you've got, whether that's logging in, whether that's with a device, whether it's you need a laptop or anything like that, use this email, admin@theforest.academy. We've got people on site who are there to sort of solve problems as and when they occur. So we can try and get this sorted for you really quickly. Don't suffer in silence. Don't not say anything. Use the support around you to make sure that this happens. And I suppose the big thing that people in Year 11 are considering at the moment is what's happening with the exams. Well, since the announcement last week, unfortunately, we have no update. We haven't heard anything else. What we do expect, though, is that teacher assessment will be a big part of the grading process. So that means that importance of the submissions, as I've spoken about, becomes of even more importance, ensuring that you are getting that work to those teachers so they can assess you, so you can get the grade that you need. What's not clear at the moment is what's happening with the BTECs and vocational subjects. They were not included in the announcement last week, and the information we're getting at the moment from those organisations is that they're expecting the courses to be completed. So if you're doing PE, if you're doing construction, if you're doing textiles, if you're doing ICT, which is a lot of you, the message there is that you need to submit coursework in the normal way. Okay, so there hasn't been an update on those. Something might happen in the future, but as yet, the expectation is that those courses are completed. I think that's it from me this week. As I said, I will update as and when we get that more information. Teachers are impressed. We know you're working hard. We know it's difficult. Keep going. And I hope to see you all in person soon.